Hi there. Let's get the camera just right. Now that I've got an opportunity to test out a new decal, I want to give something to one of my super customers, just something to pimp a knife I've held on to for a while. Every now and again I come up with something and I just uprate his order. So there was a ferro rod that I put something extra on, there was a lanyard I put something extra on, and this one's been hanging around, and I just wanted to do something just extra special because without customers that are always there, I mean there's many other aspects of being a knife maker in the UK, where there's someone behind the scenes who's helping you. Boxes arrive with phenomenal bits of equipment or supplies, or just something to just spur you on for the next couple of months. But one other aspect of it is super customers. People who buy multiple of your blades are always there rushing in when one's available, and even to some extent paying up front for orders in years to come. And you can't really say too much, thanks for it all, because it really makes a difference. So there's people like there's Brian in the Isle of Wight, there's Mike in Glasgow. There's many people who bought multiple blades, but this is for Ralph across the pond in the USA. And what I wanted to do was, in addition to the maker's mark on one side, I want to get a maker's mark on the other side as well. So something that will just lift the job. So I'm going to give it another decal, and we'll see the results in a minute. Alright, so it's the first one, and we've got that on the back as well. Needs a bit of a clean up. It's carbon steel, really reacts quite to the merest sort of sliver of electrolyte, but hope you like that one, Ralph. I'll endeavour to get this away to you in the post in the next couple of weeks. I'm happy that I've been able to add a couple of elements to this. I want to tidy this up here. I just wanted to give it another couple of tweaks, because as it's like as you get better and better, you notice things. It's like, actually that was great 6 months ago, but now I can do better than that. And this knife is just stood around, and I keep looking at it and thinking I can do better, I can do better, I can do better. So I shall get that to you after I've tweaked it. Yeah, let's go with these blades out. Thanks to me again.